Hi, I'm William,
I'm Wyatt.
I'm Parth. And I'm Ayan.
and we're about to go see what's so cool about manufacturing.
Let's get there in a snap. Whoa!
We're here.
Yo, IFM Prover. We're here in Melbourne, PA. Let's go, guys.
Okay.
IFM Prover welcomed all of us. It had great hospitality and a great workplace for employees. They showed us rooms in which they tested instruments, to the aisles where they made them, to the room where they came up with their ideas. The company really does show that it emphasizes a happy worker is a happy company. The ideas all start out in the development room, where items are being developed. Here we have a designer talk a little bit on how he makes prototype.
All right, my name is Joe Johnson, and my job title is Senior Process Engineer. I'll assemble it, wire it, program it if it needs a PLC program, function test it, make sure it meets the criteria that we've all agreed upon. I'll also, at some point in there, perform a risk assessment, because another important part of this job is making sure the equipment we put out on the manufacturing line is safe for our workers.
After being tested, IFM has different items sent to their own respective ops to be produced. Here we have a worker talk about his job.
My name is Dushan Kapan. My occupation is a water spider here at IFM. Water spider is just a term. So for a description, basically it's my job is just either if it's quality, if it's production, if it's stock, if it's just helping our engineers to get the right parts, to ship the right parts, to inspect parts. So basically, I have my hands in everything to get the production work going.
After being made, products are shipped away. On the tour, we got to see special places the workers could hang out or have fun. We had a manager talk about what having a happy worker meant to him and the entire company.
My name is Lou Foster, and I'm the quality manager here at IFM Profair. For the last 20 years I've worked for IFM. It's not a logo or a slogan that we have. We really believe in the people. I know we're not going to make a quality product if the people aren't happy.